Hi, my name is Dinesh. Today I am going to discuss about Quicksort. Quicksort. Quicksort algorithm was developed by Kerr Hoare in 1962. This algorithm works as this algorithm will select an element called the pivot element in the array and divide the array into two parts such that the element in the first part are less than or equal to the pivot element and the elements in the second part are greater than the pivot. After that, recursively apply the quicksort algorithm to the first part and then the second part. Quicksort algorithm uses the idea of divide and conquer. It finds the element called pivot which divides the array into two parts in such a way that the elements in the left are smaller than pivot and the elements in the right are greater than pivot. This is the idea behind the quicksort algorithm. And next, steps of quicksort. Find steps of quicksort. Number 1, find the pivot, and this is the partition algorithm of quicksort. Here I used lower bound and upper bound to describe it, and this is the main algorithm of the quicksort algorithm. And next, example to the quicksort. Consider an array of elements 8, 7, 11, 6, 10, 3, 2, 16 and 8. Here the start is at the index number 0 and the end is at the index number 8. And the rule is elements less than the pivot be left side of the pivot and the elements greater than the pivot be right side of the pivot element. This is the main rule of quicksort algorithm. And next, we have to select a number as a pivot number. Here I selected 8 as the pivot element from the array. So here pivot is 8, and because start is at the index number 0, so here start is 8. According to the algorithm, if start is less than or equal to pivot, yes, the condition is true because pivot is 8 and start is also 8. Pivot is equal to start, so the condition is true. Because the condition is true, increment taken place. Now the start is 11 and the pivot is 8. Again the next case is start is less than pivot. Start is 11 and pivot is 8 because the condition is false. So here the condition is false, hence we found greater element than pivot. Now the end will be decreased by one place. It means here the decrement will be taken place according to the algorithm. So the start is at 11 and end is at 8. So then coming to the next case, if end is greater than pivot, here end is 8, pivot is 8, so end is not greater than pivot, so condition is false. So here swap is going to take in place. So swap start at a start. So swap start and end. After first swapping, the condition is start is less than or equal to pivot. Here pivot is 8 and start is 8. So start is equal to pivot. So the condition is true. So the start will move to will increment by one place. We can observe here. So the next case is start is less than pivot. Again start is 6 and pivot is 8. So 6 is less than 8, so the condition is true. So that we are going to the next case. Is start is less than pivot. Here start is 10 and pivot is 8. Start is 10, pivot is 8, so the condition is false. Here increment stops and end moves left. So here the end will move to the index number 7. So the next case is end is greater than pivot. Here end is 11 and pivot is 8. So the condition is true. Now the end moves towards left, and after that end is greater than pivot. Here end is 16 and pivot is 8. So the condition is true. So here we can observe the start is increment by one value. Hence the start is at the index number 4 here, and end is at the index number 7. And the next case is so here we observe 15 is greater than pivot, so we need to move the end point towards left. Then the next case is end is greater than pivot. Here end is 1 and pivot is 8, so the condition is false. So we are swapping the start and end here. After the swapping, the array is 8, 7, 8, 6, 2, 3, 10, 16. Here the start is at the index number 4 and end is at the index number 7. So the next case is start is less than pivot. Start is 1 here and pivot is 8. So the condition is true. And again start is less than pivot. Start is 9 and pivot is 8. So condition is true. Condition is false here. Now here stop moving and end starts moving left. End is greater than pivot. End is 9, pivot is 8. So here the condition is true. Here end is at the index number 5 and start is at the index number 6. Here the next case is end is greater than pivot. End is 2 here and pivot is 7. Pivot is 8. So the condition is false. Here end is at the index number 5 and start is at the index number 6. So end is 3 and start is 6. Here we need to swap these two, but we are not going to do that because already start has crossed the end, so that we should not swap end and start here. Now we are going to swap end and pivot element. After the swapping, the array is 3, 7, 8, 6, 2, 8, 10, 16 and 11. Again the next case is after that swapping, the array is 3, 7, 8, 6, 2, 8, 10, 16 and 11. Here we can observe the numbers at the left side are less than the pivot, and the numbers at the right side are greater than the pivot. Now we can, and again for the left subarray and also for the right subarray, same rules of quicksort will be applied, and finally we get the sorted array. Here the sorted array we will get is 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8, 10, 11 and 16. This is the sorted array we will get after the quicksort. Here the time complexity, what is meant by time complexity is the time complexity of an algorithm signifies the total time required by the program to run till its completion. The time complexity of algorithm is most commonly expressed using the big O notation. It is an asymptotic notation to represent the time complexity. Again, the time complexity of quicksort algorithm is at the worst case, for each element partition position is to be happens in the edge of the array that returns in ASCII tree of height n, and hence the total complexity becomes O of n square. And at the best case, for each element partition position happens to be in the middle that results in a balanced binary tree of height log n, and hence the total complexity becomes O of n log n, and in the average it is O of n log n. This is the time complexity for quicksort. Thank you for watching my video.